A few months ago, a customer brought me a 2015 Honda Civic and said something that shocked me. He told me the car felt dead. The acceleration was weak, fuel economy had dropped badly, and the engine sounded rough every morning. He thought the engine was simply worn out and was already planning to spend thousands replacing the car. The craziest part? The repair bill was under $100. What most drivers don't realize is that engines rarely lose performance overnight. Today, I am going to show you the exact methods mechanics use to restore engine performance, improve MPG, and make engines run like new again. Some of these methods are so effective that drivers think they have added horsepower overnight. Let's dive in. Method 1. Clean the throttle body. One of the biggest hidden causes of sluggish acceleration is a dirty throttle body. The throttle body controls how much air enters the engine, and over time, carbon deposits build around the throttle plate. Even a thin layer of carbon can disrupt airflow and cause rough idle, hesitation, poor throttle response, and stalling. According to several repair studies, dirty throttle bodies are responsible for thousands of unnecessary sensor replacements every year because the symptoms mimic bad spark plugs and faulty fuel injectors. In severe cases, airflow can be reduced enough to lower engine efficiency by nearly 10%. Here is how to perform this method properly. First, turn the engine off and disconnect the intake hose connected to the throttle body. You will usually see black carbon buildup around the butterfly valve. Spray throttle body cleaner onto a microfiber cloth instead of directly flooding the throttle body. Then, gently wipe around the throttle plate and housing until the carbon is removed. If your car has an electronic throttle body, never force the plate open aggressively because you can damage the throttle motor. After cleaning, start the engine and let it idle for a few minutes because RPM may fluctuate temporarily while the computer relearns airflow values. Many drivers instantly notice smoother acceleration and more responsive throttle input after this simple cleaning. Method 2. Increase spark plug gap. Now, this is one of the oldest performance tricks mechanics have used for decades, but very few people talk about it anymore. The spark plug gap is the distance between the center electrode and the ground electrode where the electrical spark jumps. A slightly larger gap can sometimes create a stronger spark kernel, which leads to better combustion efficiency, smoother idle, and improved throttle response. But here's the important part. You should never increase the gap excessively because too much gap can overload ignition coils and actually cause misfires. Most manufacturers already specify an ideal spark plug gap for reliability and efficiency. To improve your engine performance, remove the spark plug and use a spark plug gap tool to measure the existing gap. Compare it with factory specifications. Increase of about 0.002 to 0.005 inches above factory specification. Never force or pry aggressively because spark plugs are delicate. After reinstalling properly gapped plugs, some drivers notice smoother acceleration and improved throttle response. However, this method works best on engines with strong ignition systems, and results vary depending on the vehicle. Method 3. Clean the mass airflow sensor. The mass airflow sensor, or MAF sensor, is one of the most important sensors in your entire engine. It measures incoming air so the computer knows exactly how much fuel to inject. But over time, dust and oil particles coat the tiny sensor wires, causing inaccurate readings. A contaminated MAF sensor can reduce fuel economy by as much as 15%, weak acceleration, rough idle, and sluggish throttle response. To clean it, locate the sensor between the air filter box and intake tube. Disconnect the electrical connector carefully and remove the sensor screws. Spray only dedicated MAF sensor cleaner directly onto the sensing wires. Never touch the wires with your fingers or a cloth because they are extremely delicate. Now, allow the sensor to dry completely before reinstalling it. This entire process usually takes less than 15 minutes, but many drivers say the engine feels dramatically smoother afterward. Method 4. Replace the engine air filter. Your engine burns around 14 gallons of air for every single gallon of fuel. That means clean airflow is critical for power and efficiency. But many drivers forget that the air filter slowly becomes clogged with dust, dirt, pollen, leaves, and even insects. A severely dirty filter can reduce airflow enough to hurt acceleration and fuel economy significantly. The US Department of Energy found that replacing a heavily clogged air filter can improve acceleration performance by up to 11% in older vehicles with restricted intake systems. The good news is, this is one of the easiest maintenance jobs you can perform yourself. Open the air filter box that is usually located near the front of the engine bay. Remove the old filter and hold it towards sunlight. If light barely passes through it, the filter is overdue for replacement. Install a new filter in the same orientation and close the housing securely. The entire process usually takes less than 5 minutes and often costs under $20. In dusty environments, replacing the filter more frequently can dramatically improve long-term engine health. Method 5. Warm up the engine correctly. One of the worst things you can do is aggressively rev a cold engine. During cold starts, engine oil is thicker and doesn't flow as efficiently through critical components. Studies show that most engine wear occurs during startup and warm-up periods. Cold revving increases friction and accelerates wear on pistons, bearings, and cylinder walls. The correct method is simple. Start the engine and wait about 20 to 30 seconds before driving. Then drive gently for the first few minutes while oil temperature rises gradually. Avoid hard acceleration until the engine reaches normal operating temperature. This simple habit can dramatically extend engine lifespan over time. Many high-mileage engines survive because their owners consistently avoid aggressive driving during cold starts. Method 6. Use high-quality fuel. Not all gasoline is equal, even if the octane rating looks the same. Lower quality fuel can contain fewer detergent additives that allow carbon buildup to form inside injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. Over time, this buildup reduces power, causes rough idling, and lowers fuel efficiency. Japanese engineers have repeatedly found that engines running on cleaner fuel. Cheap fuel may save a few dollars today, but long-term carbon buildup can cost far more in repairs later. If your engine feels sluggish, switching to a high-quality fuel brand for a few tanks can sometimes improve throttle response noticeably. Turbocharged engines especially benefit from cleaner fuel because carbon deposits can affect boost efficiency and combustion stability. Using quality gasoline is like feeding your engine healthier food instead of junk food every day. Method 7. Reset your ECU. Now, this is one of the most misunderstood tricks in the automotive world. Your ECU is basically the brain of your car. It constantly learns your driving habits, fuel quality, idle behavior, and sensor readings. Over time, if your engine has been running with dirty sensors, clogged filters, weak spark plugs, or poor fuel, the ECU adapts to those bad conditions. Even after replacing the faulty parts, the ECU may still use old fuel trims and performance settings that reduce throttle response and efficiency. That's why some cars still feel sluggish even after maintenance has been performed. Resetting the ECU forces the computer to erase old adaptive memory and relearn everything from scratch. Here is how to perform this method safely. The simplest method is disconnecting the negative battery terminal for about 15 to 20 minutes. Before doing this, make sure you know your radio security code if your vehicle requires one. After disconnecting the battery, press the brake pedal for about 15 seconds to help drain remaining electrical power from the system. Then, reconnect the battery securely and start the engine. Let the car idle for several minutes without turning on the AC or headlights so the ECU can begin relearning idle values properly. Many drivers report smoother acceleration, more stable idle, and quicker throttle response after a reset, especially after cleaning the throttle body, replacing sensors, or installing new spark plugs. That's all for this video. Those are some of the best methods to make your engine run smoother, stronger, quieter, and more efficiently without wasting thousands on unnecessary repairs. Which one of these methods have you already tried, and which one surprised you the most? Drop your answer in the comments below. I will see you in the next video.